Hello guys, use smartphone Xiaomi 12 Lite. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay, open box and look compactation. Device in the light green color. In compactation we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable. This is all compactation and protected back cover on this. Okay, and now talk about device. Device made of glass, triple camera on the back side. On this side power key and home keys. On this side without controls. Upside, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for 2 nano SIM card. Device without micro SD slot. Okay. Display 6.55 AMOLED, 6.55 inch AMOLED Full HD Plus resolution. Okay, 120 Hz display, and now open Geekbench file. Talk about system information. We have Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G, this CPU, SM7325, this octa-core processor 4 plus 4 cores, CPU speed 1.8 and 2.4 GHz. Adreno 632, this GPU. Okay, look results. Single core score and multi-core score and GPU test results. Close this. Look into the benchmark. Onto the benchmark results. Close this. And run demanding game Guitar San Andreas. Guitar San Andreas works on the max graphic level. Works perfect, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Main camera triple. We have 108 megapixels main model plus 108 plus 8 plus 2 megapixels. And now I'll show you photos on this camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.